Hello everybody, Andrea Majewski here with Epicure. I'm here to talk about our quarter sheet pans with our silicone mat. Okay, so these actually come in packs of 2s. I was just using one to make cookies, so they're currently being washed in the sink. But this is why they're so amazing, because do you ever just want to put something in the oven quickly and you don't necessarily need a whole big pan? Like as an example, I have a large pan here just to show you guys the difference. So look at the difference. Okay, so clearly certain things will come in handy. This is brand new, so you can definitely see the difference. Clearly, I think I need to wash this one a little bit better, but I just kind of quickly grabbed it to show you guys the difference. So look at the size. So obviously this is better if you're going to do like a family worth of nachos or like a family chicken, put some other things on there, one pan meals basically. This though is the perfect size. So let's say you're just by yourself or you just want to make nachos by yourself. I've done it before. This pan works better than this one, right? Let's say you want to make cookies. Like I made 6 cookies, not 24 cookies. I put them on here. So look at the size difference. They both have different uses to them. This is not the Epicure pan. That's actually currently being washed too. So we do have a larger size, but that's just being washed. So that's why I'm just kind of using a different one to show you guys the comparison. And let me tell you why our silicone mats are the best ones out there. So notice how they're not completely flat. They have raised edges. And raised edges are amazing because then it means less mess. So you know how, let's say you're cooking a chicken. If the sheet is completely flat, then all of that chicken stuff is going to go under the silicone pan. You will have to wash the pan anyway because it's just going to go through. But if you have a silicone sheet with raised edges, nothing is going to get through. So you can technically take this off, wash this only. You don't even have to wash the pan if you don't want to. You can do both in the dishwasher or in the sink. It's up to you. I always prefer to wash my pans in the dishwasher because it just keeps them looking nicer longer. Or I'm sorry, I prefer to wash my pans in the sink because it just keeps them nicer longer, but you can put them in the dishwasher. So these are a must-have. They come in packs of 2. So our silicone mats come in packs of 2, and so do our pans. So I will leave the link for you guys on the bottom. Just a quick note, look at the size difference, you guys. So the quarter pans and sheets are amazing because you can use them for anything. And you could even put a couple of them in the oven to make different things. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.